In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert hyperlinks in PowerPoint 2010. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn text, images, or shapes into clickable links that take your audience to a website, another slide, a file, or even start an email. Let's get started. First, launch PowerPoint 2010 and open the presentation you want to work with. Make sure you're on the slide where you want the hyperlink to appear. It helps to have your destination details ready, like the website address or the slide you plan to link to, so you can move quickly. Next, select what you want to turn into a link. This could be a word or phrase in a text box, a picture, or a shape. Give it a moment to ensure it's properly highlighted or selected because the hyperlink will apply to exactly what you've chosen. Now, open the Insert Hyperlink dialog. You can get there by going to the Insert tab on the ribbon and clicking Hyperlink. If you prefer, right-click the selected text or object and choose Hyperlink from the menu. There's also a handy shortcut. Press Ctrl+K to open the same dialog instantly. In the dialog box, you'll see several link types along the left. Existing file or web page lets you connect to a website or a file on your computer or network. Place in this document jumps to another slide in the same presentation, which is great for non-linear navigation. Create new document sets up a link that will generate a new file when clicked. Email address creates a link that opens your default mail program with a new message ready to send. Enter the details for the option you've chosen. For a website, type or paste the full URL. For another slide, pick the target slide from the list so you land exactly where you want. For an email, enter the address and, if you like, a subject line. If you're linking to a file or creating a new document, use the dialog's prompts to browse or name the file and confirm its location. Click OK to apply your hyperlink. You'll notice your text is usually underlined and colored, or your object will retain its selection look depending on your theme. To test it, switch to slideshow mode. Go to the slideshow tab, choose from beginning or from current slide, and click your hyperlink to make sure it behaves as expected. A few tips before we wrap up. Use clear clickable text or descriptive phrases so viewers know what to expect. Remember, hyperlinks only work during slideshow mode, and if you need to change or remove one, right-click it and choose Edit Hyperlink or Remove Hyperlink. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.